To change the clock style of the wake up alarm in sleep mode on Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra, swipe down the top of the screen and then tap setting icon. Scroll down the screen to find mode and routine. Tap mode and routine. While you are in the mode section, tap sleep. Tap turn on automatically. Next, tap your current sleep schedule. Scroll down the screen. Tap alarm background thumbnail. Tap the clock. And then select the desired clock style you like to use. Tap done button. Tap save button. And then tap done button again to save the change. With this setting, when the wake up alarm in sleep mode rings, your phone will display the selected clock style on the wake up alarm. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.